Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to rename the worksheet using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case you need to include the microsoft.office.interop.excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetextensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. Now here what we have done is we have created an object of microsoft.office.interop.excel.application, right? And after that I have used the visible property to make the Excel instance visible on the screen. After that, what I have done is I have created a new workbook, which is workbook WB. This is the object that we will use, and here we are using excellapp.workbooks.add to create a new workbook. And now what we have done here is we have created an instance of the worksheet as well, and here we have used the index as 1 to target the first sheet in the workbook. Now let's say you want to set a name of this worksheet, so I will just use this object which is worksheet dot, and then I will use this name property, and here I will give the name as external data, right? And then I will put the semicolon. Now if I will click on save and run the bot, you will see that the first sheet name will be external data. Here you can see that the name of the sheet is external data, right? Now let's say you want to add a worksheet before this sheet which is external data. So what I will do is I will just copy this entire line and then I will paste it here. I will name this object as worksheet 1, and then I will come here and then I will use worksheets dot add, and inside that I will use this property which is before colon, and then I will use existing worksheet which is WS, right? Then I will click on save and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that a new sheet has been added before this external data worksheet. Similarly, if you want to add the worksheet after an existing worksheet, then you can just use after keyword, right? And if you want to rename this worksheet, you can again use the same object of the worksheet which is WS1 in this case, and then I'll put dot and then I will use name property, and then I will specify name of the worksheet, let's say internal data. Then I'll put semicolon, click on save, and then I will run the bot. Now here you can see that it has added a new worksheet which is internal data after the existing worksheet which is external data, right? So this is how you can rename the Excel worksheet, and also you can add the worksheet before or after an existing worksheet. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.